Hey everyone, Nick Griot from Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about the Boss Foaming System, and in particular, the Boss Foaming System Complete Kit that you see in front of me. This kit has everything you need to have the most fun you've ever had washing your car while creating rich foam as easily as possible. It gives you a multitude of tools and a complete solution for your foaming needs. It all starts with the Boss Foam Cannon. This innovative cannon not only features market-leading stainless steel construction, but also has a few other innovative features that make it unique and makes it pair perfectly well with these Boss Foaming System concentrates. It has a wide mouth reservoir and a dual threaded neck, so you can actually just screw these 35 ounce and even our 22 ounce bottles directly onto the cannon and foam away. You wouldn't be able to do that without the unique auto mix function that we designed as part of the system. That features 3 unique metering tips that you plug into the pickup ball depending on the PSI output of your pressure washer, and that will regulate draw of these Boss Foaming System concentrates, giving you the perfect dilution ratio for effective foam and efficient product consumption. The Boss Foaming concentrates are really unique. One, they're actually concentrates that you don't have to further dilute like you would a traditional car wash soap. Secondly, they all feature dual clinging foam, which gives them excessive dwell time, which helps them break down surface dirt, which is ultimately the goal of the 2 washing solutions. We'll start with Foaming Surface Prep. This high alkaline cleaner is not a product that you're going to use every time you clean your car, but if you've got an excessively dirty car, or you're preparing for a more substantial detailing task like mechanical decontamination, paint correction, and/or applying new wax, this is the tool for the job. It will dwell from 5 to 10 minutes and will break down a ton of surface dirt. Once again, it will strip wax, so you don't want to use this every time. The other cool thing about Foaming Surface Prep is you can dilute it at 10-to-1 in the included dilution bottle and use it as a pre-soak for your leading edges and heavily soiled areas of your car like rocker panels. It will help effectively break down rubber and tar, and it will be an additional step to break down anything that's on your surface, so you can treat those really heavy-duty areas with that 10-to-1 dilution. The liquid in the Boss Foaming System that you're going to use the most is most likely Foaming Surface Wash. This pH-neutral concentrate is meant to preserve wax, but primarily it's meant to dwell on the surface, soften and/or break down and carry above surface contaminants such as dirt and grime off your vehicle before you ever have to touch it. If you follow up with a high-pressure rinse, you can look at the surface and see if you actually even need to agitate or use a mitt at all. If you keep after your car, wash it weekly, this may be the perfect product for a touchless washing solution, which will help reduce wash-induced scratches. Once you've used Foaming Surface Wash and the car is still wet, you have Foaming Polygloss. Foaming Polygloss is a wonderful innovation. It is actually a foam-on polymer that will give you protection to last between washes and will reduce the amount of water left on your car, making your drying process extremely easy. You simply foam it on, allow it to dwell for 1 to 2 minutes, rinse it off, and as the water explodes off your paint, you're going to be absolutely blown away. The great thing about this too, you can spray it on wheels, glass, trim, any exterior surface without any discretion at all. Once you've used any of the Boss Foaming products, you're going to have a wet car, so you're going to need to dry it. That's why we've included the very best drying towel on the planet, the extra large PFM Edgeless Drying Towel. This is a massive towel that should dry even the largest of trucks and SUVs with ease. And with the very little water that's left on the surface, if you've utilized Foaming Polygloss, you're going to get around your car and dry it so easily, you're going to understand why we call it PFM. It is truly pure freaking magic. So, this kit really gives you everything you need outside of a pressure washer to get going on the best foaming process ever. You're going to conserve product, you're going to create rich foam, and you're ideally going to minimize the amount of times that you have to touch your car, avoiding wash-induced scratches. This is an excellent way to get started and gives you a multitude of options and the very best tools on the market. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook, or check out our website at griotsgarage.com. Thank you for watching, and as always, have fun in your garage.